Assalamualaikum guys, what's up, what's going on? Today I'll show you how to install new fonts in your computer, in your Windows 10 or any Windows, for all softwares, not only for specific. Actually, when you install new fonts in your PC, it's work in all software, like it's showing in everywhere, like Photoshop, MS Word, etc. So you don't worry about it. Only you need to download the new fonts and install them in your PC. Now, where you can get free fonts, I'll provide the link in the description. The second, simply you can just open the google.com search engine and then search here fonts download, and here you can go thefont.com. This is the website, guys, actually, where you can download a lot of new fonts, and also you can just here is the categories, so you find your best categories and then download them. Now just suppose I'm downloading that font. Just click on the download and you will get a zip file in a KB size. Might be it's in MB, but probably it's in KB. After downloading, just open it, and then these files are actually your font. Just double tap on it and click on install. Once you have done both process, now just close everything and you can now try it in softwares. Whether, for example, I'm going on Photoshop. Let's find these font in Photoshop. Now make sure remember the name of the font, Marycle, MERRYCLE. Now let's find it in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, just typing here the name first. And then here we go. As you can see here, so fonts are here. Now you can just increase the size and decrease the size from here according to your choice. So this is the way, guys, you can install new fonts in your PC for every software. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends, and if you are interested about optimization, the gaming optimization, the Windows optimization, and the network optimization, then hit the subscribe button and wait for my next video. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.